What's up, guys? Welcome back to another auto auction update. We're at one of the better auctions in town today, man. We got a bunch of cars on the list, so I will be only showing you the best of the best cars. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Man, we got a 2007 Audi A4 here, 123,000 miles, man. This kind of reminds me of mine. It honestly looks literally exactly the same. I'll put a picture of what mine's look like. It kind of look like it just like this, honestly. Same color, pretty much same wheel setup. Man, miss my little Audi. Mine's was clean and it ran pretty decent. This one does look good. Does have a nice black leather interior. Really good looking Audi. Mine, I didn't have any problems with mine. He does have a aftermarket radio in there as well. And these, believe us, are some 20s. Oh, these are 19s. See, I had 20s on mine, so you know mine was a little bit chunkier, but his is sitting real right. I'm digging that. And it is the turbo. They wrote a big turbo sign on the window here, like all of them don't come with turbo, but you know, if you open the hood, just looks really good under here, really clean. I don't see anything that really stands out, so that's a plus. Look back there. Might be able to have this thing moving and grooving, man. If we can get it at a decent price, I wouldn't mind. What you guys think about it, though? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2006 Dodge Charger here, 126,000 miles on the dash here. You do got like some aftermarket hood scoop, some super fake hood scoop. Definitely not my thing. But if you like it, I love it. Wow, you got a huge little shebang here. So this is definitely something we won't be bidding on here. But I'd like to see the inside of it really quick. It's got some freaking black and white leather interior, which is pretty cool. You know, they had a cool idea, but I don't know. It's pretty whipped to me. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2006 Dodge Charger here, 155,000 miles on the dash. We do have the Midnight Club TIS edition 22-inch rims on that joint. Before we get into it, we can just pop the hood since we're like right here, wherever it may be. There we are. You can look under it. It is the V6, not the V8. But I mean, it looks pretty clean, I guess, under there. Honestly, could use some new tires. These tires are cracking. I'm probably pretty sure this thing hasn't been driven in a long time. We open it up, typical Charger, 300C interior. Nothing too spectacular about it. I mean, everything is intact. You're missing a little radio right there, but I mean, it's an old Charger, guys. It's nothing really special, but it does look to be in pretty decent condition compared to the other one, which is just whipped in the back quarter panel. What you guys think about this one, man? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, man, we got an 06 Crown Victoria here, 152,000 miles. Definitely a ex-police car. It looks like they had the front push guards mounted on the front at one point. 152,000 miles. You got the stock little police wheels on there. If we take a look at the inside, do have some decent like leather in the back. Wow, you got some leather in the back. You got cloth up here. Looks like they had the little control center up here, but somebody got to it after, put a radio in there and tried to make it their own from what they could. Pretty cool little Crown Vic. Shout out to the skinny people. Pretty decent Crown Vic. Not really my thing, but it's pretty it's one of the more decent ones here today. Got a 2007 Chevy Impala here, 220,000 miles on the clock. First glance, does look pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. Slight little tequila kickage there. Nothing crazy at all. The lights could be restored. If we come around this way and pop open this door, doesn't look too bad. You got the light gray cloth interior. Seats back there is pretty whooped. Could be a little bit better. Yep, and this one has that problem that my mom's Impala had. That knocking noise is like something from I guess the AC or something like that. So definitely don't want the Impala. These things come a dime a dozen, but if you like it, I love it, and you guys can still hear that. It's not even turned on, so just imagine when it's turned on. Knocking at the light. Yeah, I know, right? What you guys think about the Impala? Let me know in the comments below. Next up, man, we got a 2012 Dodge Avenger here. 151,000 miles on the clock. Does look pretty good from a first glance. We can swing around this way and see how good it looks. We do got some type of purple window back there. I'll take a look at that once we get back over that way. Let me see. Pop the hood open on this. We will need a little bit of antifreeze here there soon. Nothing that really stands out to me under here, which is a plus. If we swing back this way, pop open this door and check out, it does have the cloth interior, typical Avenger. Got a garage opener in there. Pretty cool deep media center and everything up here. Everything looks to be intact. They painted like all the little trimmings purple, because if you see purple there, it's like the other side is purple as well. But I mean, all in all, not that bad. You do have a split in the bumper there. Honestly, not bad. Tires seem to be pretty fair. Again, with the purple trimming. If you like it, I love it. 150-something thousand miles. 151. What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. Next up, man, we got a 2003 Honda Accord here. 200 and looks like 71,000 miles. Wow. Does hold a rebuilt title. Looks like the hood is fading a little bit. Lights should be restored. And we have some tequila kickage on this side over here, which isn't too bad. But then again, 271,000 miles on a rebuilt title. You could get away with it. However, if you just take a look in here, it looks pretty filthy. The shifter stick is missing there. It just looks super gunky and dirty. Back, not really one thing. You do have the sunroof. This one is a little bit beat for us guys. A little bit more beat than others, but I guess it's pretty fair. 271. Would you be interested in the Honda? Let me know in the comments below. And we have a few more cars here that we're not bidding on. We have a Toyota Solara here, salvage and manual transmission. Toyota Corolla here, 151,000 miles. Thing just looks super beat. Then we got a Hyundai. I believe this is like an accent or something like that. I'm not really sure. 136,000 miles though. Not my flavor. We got a Hyundai Sonata here. This one is super whipped on this end, 141,000 miles. Got a little bit more than a tequila kick there, man. They was drinking tequila and wrecked this thing. But this one is whooped. And everything else we haven't checked out back here is pretty much whooped. Let's go to the front and see if we can find something a little bit more decent here, because even this is a non-runner and that thing is teed. We got a 2008 Chevy Malibu here, 142,000 miles. I doubt it's the LT version. We take a look. We do got some bumper hangage there. We can pop the hood on this bad boy. Do have the V6 pretty clean underneath the hood here, 142,000 miles. Just getting started with this joint. Headlights could be restored. Not that bad, honestly. Oh, it is the LT version, but it smells just like a casino in this joint. You do have the leather and suede combination. Back seats aren't too bad. Honestly, looks pretty good in here. Just smells like a chain smoker. It definitely was a chain smoker car, but body-wise, other than the bumper up there, looks pretty fair. 142,000 miles, man. Let me know what you think about it in in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 2004 Honda Accord here, 198,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty good. However, the roof is fading paint. Not that big of an issue, honestly. You can just pop open this hood. Honestly, looks clean under here too. We may need a little bit of antifreeze here shortly, but overall, not that bad. The body looks to be in pretty decent condition. You do have a crack in the windshield here. Again, nothing that can be fixed. If we take a look at the inside, we do have tan cloth interior, which is actually cleaner than most of the tan interiors we've been seeing here at the auction. So that's a plus. The media center and everything up there looks to be intact. I don't see anything that really stands out to me. Trunk is faded as well. It is the LX model. I don't know what on the chart where that's at, but it does look like a pretty decent Honda Accord, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Next up, guys, we got a 2009 Chevy Cobalt here, 54,000 miles. Does hold a rebuilt title. First glance, does look pretty good. I mean, this headlight is shine up. That one's not. We can pop open this hood. Does look pretty good under there. I don't see anything all over the place, so that's a plus there. Only 54,000 miles. You guys, I remember I had one of these with like nearly 200,000. Sold it for 1,500 bucks. I got it for 1,000. Sold it for 1,500 literally the same day. Wow, they had the Soul Glow on the headrest. 54,000 miles, man. They had that thing juiced up, man, because this is pretty low mileage for that much Soul Glow. But honestly, doesn't look too bad. You have some pretty decent tires on there, so that's a plus. You don't have the wing back here, which I would like, but it is a pretty nice, decent Cobalt with no body damage or anything like that. So I think this will be something to be bidding on if you want a good point A to point B car. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Got a 04 BMW 3 Series here, 148,000 miles on the dash. It looks like they might have had some halos in the lights, and the halos fell off of the big part there, and the halo fell off of the big part there. Gotta pay attention to detail. 148,000 miles. The paint isn't bad. Body is in pretty good condition. You can set this thing on like some nice fat meaty 19s and have this thing looking pretty beefed up. The leather is in nice plush condition. Oh man, I don't see anything that really stands out other than this old, super old iPhone cord that I haven't seen since like an iPod, rather. Does have the sunroof. Yeah. And it's the 325. I don't know if they put that on there themselves, the limited edition, or not. I've never really seen that badge before. Don't know if the window doesn't roll down, but got a slight tequila kick there. Nothing crazy. What y'all think about it, though? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all know I'm not a Mustang fan, man, but got a 05 Mustang, 152,000 miles. Salvage on the title. It lost control trying to do donuts. Not really a Mustang guy, but I know some of you guys are, and I'd rather just show you so I don't get a million comments like, bro, you didn't check out the Mustang. You got a little TV in there. I mean, it's cool if you like that, but I'm good. I'll pass. This one's kind of whip. I told you they was doing donuts and lost it. What y'all think about it? Honestly, I don't even care for the Explorer, but this color is popping. I'm liking this purple. It look good. What y'all think about the color, man? Forget the truck, because I would never do this to the truck, but it looks clean, though. I like the color, man. It's popping. What y'all think about it? Let's see if the interior is done. The interior gotta be done if the outside of the truck looking like this. Whoa, it's not done. You do got some TVs in it, though. TV over there, a little TV up here. Nice little, I guess, starter truck if you like painting. Candy paint and whatnot. I don't even know how many miles it got. Don't even really care. 166,000 miles. Popping color though. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Got a few cars here today, just a few. Not too many, not too little, but just enough. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Till then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.